Hello, do you know the square root of 144? Or even what square roots mean? Okay, if you don't, that's great, because check it out, we're about to tell you how to do it. So, square roots sounds really complicated, but it's really easy. It's just asking you what number do you times by itself to make that number. So, what number do you times by itself to make 144? So, 10 times 10, does that equal 144? No, it doesn't. Well done. What about 8 times 8? Oh no, that's 64. Try a bit bigger. What about 9 times 9? Good, no, it's not that one. Okay, 11 times 11? That's 121, we're getting there. So what about 12 times 12? Does that equal 144? Well done, yes it does. So, the square root of 144 is 12 because it's just what number you times by itself to make 144. Okay, so use this information, play the next games, and we'll see you next one. Bye!